Hey boys and girls. So today I'm going to look at the homework for Module 3, Lesson 15, and I am just doing the same problem but with a different number. So at the top it says pencils come in boxes of 10. How many boxes should Elena buy if she needs 156 pencils? Well, we can start this by just making groups of 10 and counting as we go. All right, so let's say here's a box of 10. I've got 10 pencils. I have a lot more to go to get to enough to have 156. I'm just going to count and write kind of fast, just counting up by tens because each box is a box of 10. So I'm at 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All right, so I'm at 100 pencils. I still need at least 56 more. All right, so now I'm at 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, and I need to get to 156, but the pencils don't come in packs of 6, so I need to add another 10. I will have some leftovers. So right now I'm at 160 pencils, and how many boxes did we need to buy? Well, let's see. This would be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So Elena needs 16, and be careful because it's not 16 pencils, it's 16 boxes. 16 boxes of pencils. How many pencils will Elena have left over? All right, so this talks about our leftover box. So we know that she needed 156, but she actually bought more than that because she bought 16 boxes, and I know that 16 tens is equal to 160. So she has 160 pencils, but she only needed 156. So we're going to do 160 minus 156. So one way to do subtraction when the numbers are really close to each other is actually just by counting up. So I can think of 156, and I would be doing this in my head, but I'm going to show you what it would look like on paper. So I'm going to think of 156, and I'm going to count up until I get to 160. So this would be 157, 158, 159, and 160. So you would just be thinking this in your head. You'd be thinking, okay, I'm at 156. I need 157, 158, 159, 160. I need 4 more. So I know 160 minus 156 would be 4. So how many pencils will Elena have left over? She will have 4 left over pencils. All right. The last one says, how many more pencils does she need to have 200? Well, we can count up for this one too, actually. So she has 156 pencils. 156. And they're saying, how many more pencils would she need to get to 200? So I'm going to count up until I get to 200. But because these numbers aren't really close, I'm not going to count by ones the whole time because that would take a while. So if I'm at 156, I can count up and go, okay, 157, 158, 159, and now I'm at 160, which is a benchmark number. So I'm just going to count by tens now until I get to 200. So 160, adding a 10 is 170. Add another 10 is 180. Add another 10 is 190. And add one more 10 to get to 200. So the question said, how many more will she need? Well, she'll need this many more. If I started at 156, I added this many more, and now I'm at 200. So let's figure out what this many more is. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. So she needs 44 more to get to 200. All right, guys, hope that was helpful. See you tomorrow in class.